Today, I would like to introduce our IK10 Vandal resistant solar LED Bollard light. Different from the models on market, we put a plastic cover on the solar panel to protect the panel from punch. Okay, now let me show you. My hand hurts. I suggest you can buy a few pieces and samples to test. And for the LED chips, we are putting many pieces of chips so we can guarantee this light can have a very high luminous output. And the battery, we are using the LiF Pure4 battery and the 2 pieces of big battery cell. Once the battery is full charged, it can work more than 3 nights continuously. You may ask, what is this? This is a remote controller, 2.4G signal, and the valid control distance could be 30 meters maximum. This is a colorful light. Now we turn on the light at the same time. And we can have warm white color and cool white color. We can change the color temperature gradually. Cool white and warm white and any color you need. Okay, pink, yellow, blue, any color you want. Imagine if you have 12 pieces, 10 pieces in your garden, you can create a fantastic atmosphere for your garden. I believe your neighbor will ask you, oh, my dear, where did you buy this light? And we are happy. We will be happy that, okay, we purchased this light from Bollard Tech. Imagine 20 pieces, 12 pieces around within 30 meters distance. You only need one remote to control all the light. I think this is a very useful function. And the light height can be mounted to different height of poles. 38, 60, 90, and wall mounted. You can buy one solar LED Bollard light height, but mix the quantities of the pillar. So this will reduce the pressure of economic to make a lot of stock. And this will be very flexible for you to sell to customers. Also, we have a white variant. White variant means only the white. First push is warm white, and day white, and cool white, and off. So today we shared this video about our IK10 Vandal resistant solar LED Bollard light. We hope you like it. If you have any questions, please contact our sales team and we will reply to you with 24 hours. Waiting for your inquiries. Thank you.